guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions review on the new KVD Good Apple Balm Foundation Serum. Very excited about this product, by the way, because you guys know that this baby went viral. Let me just say it's a really amazing foundation balm. Like it truly is. This is actually in my project pan for this year, and once I use it all up, I was gonna repurchase, but honestly I feel like I like this even more. They're very similar, but like I feel like this one probably will last 10 times longer than this. I don't know. But anyways, so here's the packaging. Boom, boom, boom. So good. I can't wait for you guys to see the close-up shots that I have on this foundation. Like it's pretty flippin' good. I even used the KVD Good Apple concealer, which honestly, the concealer still the same, not too much of a fan of that. So anyways, so we're gonna go over the information. I'm gonna do a little voiceover at some point because at this moment I don't know the details of this, so you will whenever you see this, but I won't until I read it on my voiceover. So we're just doing a little get ready with me foundation. Wow, it's been so long since I've like done a review, like a product review, that I'm just like all over the place right now and I don't even know like how to start. But anyways, we are gonna start. So if you are into product reviews from me, because it's been a long time and I miss it, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. Leave all your thoughts and comments down below. Are you planning on purchasing this? Do you want to try it? Did you love this? Did you hate this? This was a love or hate product. Are you gonna give this one a try? Let me know down below. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now, so definitely hit the giveaway link down below if you would like to enter the giveaway. And let's go ahead and get this party started. First things first, we're starting with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now we can open up this baby. Packaging, 10 out of 10. Super cute, and it definitely looks just like this packaging, but different. These are supposed to be the exact same shade. I got light 012, so I'm just gonna compare really quick. That's cute. The shades. Okay, here's the balm, and then here is the liquid. Alright, let me get a little more of the balm. They are definitely pretty similar, but the liquid foundation is just like a tad bit lighter. So I'm wondering if it's gonna oxidize. We'll see on my hand later if it oxidizes. So now I'm just gonna add some on my face, and oh wow, look how full coverage this is. All right, we're off to a really good start. So what is it? The Good Apple Serum Foundation is a real mind flip. Full coverage with a natural finish, transfer-proof extreme long wear with a lightweight serum feel. It covers everything from blemishes to acne scars, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and more. You've never seen natural full coverage like this. Why? You need it. Max coverage, minimum weight. Infused with apple extract, it's got our iconic Good Apple full coverage with an undetectable serum light feel. Transport-proof extreme long wear, high performance wear that stands up to sweat plus humidity. Pore blurring natural finish, best for combo to oily skin, but anyone can wear it. Quince leaf extract helps keep shine in check instantly plus all day. Flexible Elastomer pigments, Good Apple blends plus bends with your skin for a seamless finish plus easy application every time. Luxe recyclable glass bottle. The pump is designed to cut down on foundation waste, so you only use what you need. Versatile modern formula in 40 shades that play well with whatever you put under or over it. Non-Comedogenic plus flashback free, 100% vegan, and cruelty free. Know your Good Apple Foundation Balm Shade? Start there. You may need to try a new shade due to differences in the formulas. Let Good Apple Serum Foundation dry down to see its true color. Fully custom coverage. Shake well before each use. Use a sponge to tap Good Apple into skin, plus build up to whatever level of coverage you want. Use a dense foundation brush with a buffing motion for more immediate coverage. Pump it up. 1 pump for buildable full coverage, 2 plus pumps for instant full coverage. So what are we thinking so far? I feel like I need to add just a little bit more to my cheeks, which I usually do anyways, because I naturally have like these really annoying red cheeks. So I usually add a little bit more right here just to give it a little bit more full coverage so my natural like red cheek doesn't shine through as easily. Also, these two, pretty similar, but still not the same. This one is liquid, this one is the balm, and it has oxidized quite a lot because the liquid used to be a lot lighter than the balm, but it oxidized. So now we know that. And my face is already pretty dry. Let me take it down the neck so I don't look funny. It actually looks really good. I do have a pimple right here because I'm on my period, so I have a little pimple. It actually has covered it up quite well. It just looks like it's a little dark because it's like bulging out of the side of my face, so it's definitely creating a shadow, but everything is looking quite good. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to blur because at this point in time I've literally just bought the foundation. I haven't even like read about it really, but my skin does look blurred. And it does have like a natural like sheen to the skin. My skin has a natural sheen. It actually looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna pair this with the Apple Balm Concealer. This is in shade Light 109. Light Full Coverage Concealer that came out last year. So let's try this and just see how this works. Because I don't find this concealer to be that good with the other products other than the Apple Balm foundation. So maybe it will work really well with this foundation. So we shall see. I'm gonna go in like normal with my Hourglass little powder here. Absolutely love this for the under eyes. So I'm just gonna set the under eye like I normally would. And honestly, this concealer pretty much creases as soon as you put it on the skin, but it's not really creasing. So maybe they like formulated it with this foundation in mind, because so far, so good. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Dior powder, No Powder. I'm just gonna lightly tap. That should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the skin with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I use shade 1 Fair. I'm just like tapping the bronzer into the skin, you know, I'm doing my thing. This foundation, by the way, honestly looks really good. It looks like super flawless in the mirror right now, and I'm actually like living for it. Also, if you hear my son, he's in the next room. Now we need to do a little nurse contour, okay? A little something something. I'm just gonna draw this down my nose. Nothing major, just a little. I'm just gonna, a little bit under the lip. Go in with my current favorite blush from Lunar Beauty, this pink baby right here. Oh. Then I'm going to go in with this OG palette right here. If you know, you know. I'm going to take some cookie highlighter and apply that to my face. Good old cookie highlighter. I'm going to add some more because I have nowhere to go. And I want to shine bright like a diamond, baby. Oh, I just love the smell of these products. They smell so good. A little spaghetti butter slap right there. Oof, yes. Take my finger, get that lip nice and wet looking. We're gonna go in with the shade Mannequin from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna go in with Christmas Cookie. I think it's a little darker though. It'll be fine. What you doing, turtle? Turtle? What you doing? What you doing? Turtle, turtle, turtle. Am I not turtly enough for the turtle club? Turtle, turtle. No, don't you eat the cat. Turtle, turtle. I'm gonna do my eyeballs and my brows off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, final thoughts so far on this foundation. I really like it. I think it applied so nice. It has a natural finish, which like I said, I didn't even read like what it's about. Hold on, let me just read this real quick. Lightweight, all day wear, transfer resistant. Oh. I'm just slapping myself in the face. No, yeah, it seems like it's definitely transfer resistant. When I first started applying it, I felt the like tackiness of it on my skin, and it reminded me a lot of the Dior matte foundation that I absolutely love, and it also is very much transfer proof. Full coverage serum foundation. Yeah, I'll definitely have read the product details in this video at some point, so you actually know. I don't know right now, but anyways, love it so much. So far, so good. It looks so good. I'm going to check in with you after I do some more filming, which just from me doing this and then checking on my baby chickens, it's been about an hour and a half. So it's been a hot minute since I've been back from doing this. So we're about, let's say, an hour into the foundation. So now I'm going to film a couple other videos, and I'll be back to give you my intro and my final thoughts when I'm done, okay? When I'm done. Peace out. Okay, here's my last check-in. It's been about 4 hours, which is not long. It's not long, but I've been doing a lot, okay? I've been doing a lot. So far, everything looks exactly the same as when I left. So by the end of the night, I'll let you guys know like how the foundation's holding up in my description, but so far so good. I really, really like it, and I cannot wait to keep on wearing it. So that's how you know it's good. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.